Okay, welcome back to Around the World Fitness, where you can work out anytime, anywhere. Today we're in beautiful Bali, Indonesia at the Tukad Cepung Waterfall. Today we're going to work out on our legs, shredded leg workout. So here we go. Let's start off with forward lunges. We're going to do one leg at a time. Okay, we're going to get that burn going. Do your right leg first. Remember, keep your core tight. Okay, squeeze your abs. You can hold your hands together like I do to prevent any energy leaks. Okay, keep going and feel the burn. Don't let your knee cross your ankle. Keep a nice straight line. Okay, let's switch. Let's do the other leg now. Same thing, keep your core nice and tight. As you see here, it's a little bit slippery at the waterfall. So your core needs to be tight the entire time, and watch your knee that it doesn't go over your ankle. You're gonna keep a nice straight line between your knee and your ankle. Okay, keep going, we're almost there. Keep your core tight. Remember, squeeze your core at all times. Okay, take a little break. Now we're gonna hit some squats. Ready, go. Remember, as you come down, try to get down low. When you come up, bring your hips to the sky and squeeze at the top. Squeeze your glutes at the top. That's why you see I like to swing my arms. So I'm squeezing everything at the top. I'm even squeezing my chest, squeezing my arms, squeezing my legs, squeezing my glutes. Activating the whole body here. It's a complete body workout, these squats. Come to the top and squeeze everything. Okay, next we're gonna do reverse lunges, step back. Same thing, keep your knee in line with your ankle. You don't want your knee going over your ankle. Keep that in mind, it's very important. Okay, and keep your back nice and straight. You see how straight my back is? And try to pop up your foot. When it comes back, now pop up. Okay, let's switch legs. Same thing, when you step back, when you come up, keep your core tight. You can see when I come to the top, I'm squeezing everything at the top. Step back and squeeze. Step up, squeeze. Squeeze. It's a leg workout, but we're engaging our upper body and our core at the same time. Every time we step up, we're squeezing. Go, I know you feel the burn. Okay, and be aware of that front leg, that your knee is not over your ankle, not crossing your ankle. You want a nice straight line is perfect. All right, here we go. Next, pull squat. So we're gonna get down in squat position, and we're just gonna come up, just little pulse. Now this one's gonna burn. So let's go, gut it out, keep everything tight. Let's go, we're almost there, come on. You feel the burn, that's where you're making your money. This is where you're making gains. All right, next we're gonna go do side lunges. We're gonna do one leg at a time like we've been doing. So when you come down, try to get down as low as you can. As you can see, I'm not really flexible, and the conditions are not really good at this waterfall. The ground is super slippery. Okay, let's keep going. Keep your head up. Try to get a nice stretch in your leg when you come down. A nice stretch in the inner thigh. All right, let's switch sides. And remember, keep your heel flat. When you step with your foot, keep your heel flat to the ground. You don't want to come off your heel. It's another thing very important. And when you pop back up, make sure you squeeze your abs to help you come back to your starting position. So step, come up, squeeze. Squeeze. We're constantly engaging our abs. In everything we do, we're using our abs. Okay, you're almost there. Keep going. Okay, take a break. Next, we're going to do one leg side hops. We're just going to hop side to side. As you can see here, the ground is full of rocks and it's super slippery. So you just hop as far as you can, as far as you're comfortable. Some days will be better than others. Here we get a little bit of cardio. And keep the pressure on the legs. Keep your legs working. Okay, next we're going to do a pulse lunge. So like we did the pulse squat, we're just going to get down, keep your back nice and straight, and just pump your leg, but you're not going to go all the way up. Keep your knee over your ankle, nice straight line. Yeah, this is where you feel the burn. Let's go. Come on. All right, let's switch legs. Same thing, knee over the ankle, step back, back straight. Squeeze your abs. But I know your quads are on fire right now, so keep pushing it. Let's go, we're almost there. All right, come on. All right, you got it. Now, let's go to round 2. This is where you're going to make your gains. We're going to start with 4 lunges with the same leg again. Good, step up, pop back up off that foot. Step up, squeeze your abs, come together. There you go. Let's go. Now you're going to feel the burn. This is where you're making your gains. Should be sweating by now. Nice, good sweat going on. Remember, keep in mind, you don't want your knee crossing your ankle. Keep it nice straight line. As you can see here, I step to the side so you can see. All right, let's switch. Keep your back nice and straight. It's very important, this exercise here. Keep your back nice and straight. Keep your head up. You can put your hands together like I do to prevent energy leaks. All right, shake it out. Now let's hit these squats. So remember, when you go down, come up, squeeze at the top. Okay, when I come up, you see me squeezing at the top. Squeezing my glutes, squeezing my arms, squeezing my chest, my triceps. This is why I love the squat. You're using majority of the muscles in the body, upper and lower together, if you do it correctly. All right, now we're gonna hit up these reverse lunges. So remember, keep your back nice and straight, step back. Keep your knee over your ankle. In good form. And squeeze when you come back up. Step back, squeeze. Step back, and squeeze. Let's go. Round 2, you feel it. Your legs are on fire right now. Come on, let's go. We're almost there. All right, switch legs. Okay, step back, step up, squeeze. Step back, step up, squeeze. Step back, step up, squeeze. Squeeze your abs, squeeze your glutes, everything you're squeezing at the top. The starting point, we're squeezing. Keep your head up, your neck straight. All right, let's take a little short break. Next, we're gonna go back down to pole squats. Okay, let's go, let's move, let's move. This is where I know you feel the pain. Just come on, keep pushing it. Let's go. Yeah, breathe in your nose, breathe out your mouth. Those legs are on fire. That means you're making gains. All right, go back to these side lunges. We're gonna do one side at a time. So when you go down, get a nice deep stretch. When you come up, you squeeze. Once again, come up, squeeze. Come up, squeeze. Squeeze your abs, squeeze your glutes at the top. We're even squeezing our chest, squeezing our arms. We're engaging everything. This is what most other trainers will not do. They will not have you squeeze everything when you come to the top. But we want to use as many muscles as possible here. Squeeze. All right, let's hit the other side up. Remember, nice stretch, step up, squeeze. Squeeze everything when you get to the top. Yeah, somebody wants to enter the waterfall. I told them they gotta wait. Let me finish this video. We're almost there. Come on, let's go, guys. Keep going, stay strong. Breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Come on, we're almost there. Shredded leg workout. I know you feel the burn right now. Let's go. All right, we're gonna do one leg side jumps. Let's go, jump right into it. We're not wasting any time. Come on. This is hop side to side. Keep going. Make sure when you hop, squeeze, hop, squeeze, hop, squeeze. Squeeze our entire body. That way we don't fall over. We keep our balance. Okay. Now we're going to do the pulse lunges. Okay, yeah, I know you feel the burn. Just let it go. Come on. We're almost there. Keep your back nice and straight. Good form. Let's hit the other side. Knee over the ankle. Just pop up and down. There you go. Hands together. No energy leaks. Core is nice and tight. Come on. Push it. Push it, baby. All right. That's it. That's our workout for today. If you like the tape, rewind it. Have a good one.